What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you how to draw the shear force bending moment diagrams of arches in Excel, and also generate the force reactions in horizontal thrust automatically in Excel. So I'll give directly the Excel file. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm on my dashboard and I will open the file, the Excel file, which is made by one of my friend, and it's really awesome. You can just plug in your values here, your desired value, and the load location from left hand side. You can also change the FX height, the span of the arch, and it will give the reactions, the vertical reactions and the horizontal thrust, and will also provide you the bending moment diagram on the right side, as you can see. Now let me change this load from 10 kilonewton to 20 kilonewton, and I will press enter, and you can see the values being changed, and here the diagram has also been changed, right? Similarly, I can also change the load location. For example, let me do it 10, and you can see uh, all the values being changed here, and also the bending moment diagram. Similarly, if I enter a large value here, then you can also, then the bending moment diagram will be drawn easily, right? As you can see. Also, I can change the load location further, and you can see the effect on the right hand side. Also, I change the FX height, and the effects are real time, you can see on the right hand side. Also, I can change the span length, and 300 is too much, so let me make 30. So you can see the real-time effect here, right? So this file is really good for quickly calculating the reactions which an arch generate, and also the bending moment diagrams. So I'll give a link in the description to, so you can download this file, and I will also make a tutorial that how this programming is done. So see you then.